Aloha! I want to read you guys a book this morning, really quick before I go to work. This book is called Dinosaur Train, and it is by John Stephen Gurney. I hope you like this book. Found it at my buddy's house. Just want to take a minute and read it to you guys. I know you like trains, and I know I like dinosaurs, so this should be a match made in heaven. Oh no, they forgot to put something here. Fill in the blank. Narrated by Sarah Dorsey. Enjoy. Dinosaur Train. Okay, I know it's not very exciting yet, but hold your britches. Da, da, da. Getting closer, getting closer, getting closer. Whoosh. The story begins here. Thursday was a day much like any other day for Jessie. Trains and dinosaurs. Trains and dinosaurs. Dinosaurs and trains. There's some dinosaurs in the bathtub and some trains on the floor. Just before bed, Jessie drew one last picture. Here's his picture. How do you think his artistic skills are? Muy bonita. Suddenly, there was a loud noise. There he is. He's looking to see what it is. And the whole house began to shake. The whole house began to shake. Wham! All aboard! Someone yelled. Now let's take a look at this. What is that? Is it an octopus? No, octopuses don't barge into windows. Is it a flying goose? Nope, no feathers there. Is it a... Oh, it's a dinosaur, right? Of course, it's a dinosaur. Please have your tickets ready. There he goes, climbs up the back of the dinosaur into the train. Thank you, said the conductor. Dining car to the rear. There's all the buddy dinosaur, the dinosaur brigade, the neighbors, the grandpa, the grandma, the cousin, the sister. Let me show you the view from the sky window. So there's Jessie. He's down here at the bottom. And then here's the dinosaur up top. Tunnel ahead, Jessie yelled. There's Jessie up there. He goes, tunnel ahead, guys! And there's everybody on the train. We got necks and arms and legs hanging out the windows. How are they ever going to fit in the tunnel? When they came out of the tunnel, Jessie said, look, that's amazing! What's he pointing at? Whoa, 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 whoa! Everybody there just leaned right over to look at this, which is a volcano. Volcano. Everyone's leaning over. Whoa, 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 whoa! Oh no! Whoopsie! You know what happened? An accident. They all went flipping off the train. They're just standing around like, what to do now? How are we going to get there now? So who saves the day? Jessie took charge. Come on, you can do it. And here's Brontosaurus, turkey feather head, pointy horned Brontosaurus, taking charge. Is going to push the train back on the track. Jug it, jug it, jug it, jug it, jug it, jug it, jug it. In the future. Push it back on the track. Here's Miss Green Hulk coming to take charge. She pushes some more. She gets it all the way back on the track. Woo! Everyone chants and cheers and celebrates. Yay!